Welcome to the Real Fun Beach. Hi, Destinations International.
My name is Michaelean Stewart, and I'm the Interactive Marketing Manager here at Visit Panama City Beach, also known as the #Real Fun Beach Enforcer. So being a native to this beach, I really couldn't imagine working anywhere else. I started my career with Visit Panama City Beach as a marketing coordinator in 2015 and transitioned into my role as the Interactive Marketing Manager a little over a year ago. I truly love what I do, and not a lot of people can say that, especially in their 20s. It's been one of my main missions in my position to expand and engage our visitors through our social media platforms. Serving as the Real Fun Beach #Enforcer/Ambassador, I am proud to say that our Real Fun Beach initiative has grown 12 times its size in the past year, increasing from just 505 uses to over 6,000 uses this year. We have also seen our social media engagement increase tremendously. As everyone knows, digital marketing is the way of the future, and my goal here is to keep Visit Panama City Beach ahead of the curve in engagement with our visitors and ensure our DMO is on the cutting edge for destination travelers. Being selected to be a member of the Destinations International 30 Under 30 program would provide me the opportunity to learn from the best and remain inspired from other members of the Destination International family. Thank you, Destinations International, for considering me for the 30 Under 30 program. We hope to see you soon at the Real Fun Beach.